Hi and welcome to my video on the developmental networks and gene expression. I will be using the TV show Friends to demonstrate a developmental network and show how multiple genes interact with each other to produce an expressed phenotype. We will be using a situation that happened particularly in the episode, the one where no one is ready. In this network, we will be using the museum department head and three of the friends, Ross Geller, Chandler Bing, and Joey Tribbiani. This network consists of the storyline of Joey getting ready. So in this episode, the museum asks Ross to have a speech for a black tie benefit night. And the museum department head activates Ross by going to the event and wanting all of his friends to be ready. Ross then activates Chandler by asking him to get ready. And when Chandler goes to get ready, Joey steals his chair, which makes Chandler frustrated, and Chandler is a repressor to Joey because he takes all of his underwear, therefore making Joey not able to get ready, leading to the phenotype of Joey showing Chandler all of his clothes. This is known as the wild type, since nothing in the situation has changed. The end express phenotypes that could change based off of mutations are Joey showing Chandler all of his clothes or Joey getting dressed normally. So now for this network, let's look what happens if there is a single mutation in the strand. In this case, we're going to have our single mutation be Chandler Bing. If Chandler Bing is not in the sequence, the museum will still activate Ross into wanting everyone to get ready, but Ross will not activate Chandler into wanting to get ready. And since Chandler is out of the picture, he doesn't steal Joey's underwear. So Joey will end up not showing all of his clothes to him and get ready like a normal person. Now let's look at a double mutation. In the double mutation, we're going to get rid of Ross and Chandler. The museum is still having a benefit night. However, Ross is not there to give the speech anymore. And that means Ross is no longer activating Chandler to get dressed, which doesn't repress Joey from getting dressed. So since the event is still happening, but all of the turmoil between friends is no longer occurring, Joey, he will just get dressed for the event. Therefore, as we can see, phenotypes are not based only on one gene, but on the activation and/or repression of multiple different genes. I hope this was able to show how mutations affect the mRNA's expression in genes. Here are my references, and thanks for watching.